I could think of a better way to be spending my time. How about you, Riddler? Yeah, I could think of better things to do than this. Everything's secure here at Gotham City Jail. Huh, Gotham City SWAT team's here. I wonder what they're up to. Slade, you man the launcher. Hey, that's not a SWAT officer. Hold it right there, Slade. I don't think so. Nice shot, Slade. Now let's go free the Riddler and Mr. Freeze. Yeah, let's go. Bane, I'll stay here and keep an eye on him. Ooh, what do we have here? Looks like Mr. Freeze's ray gun. I'll be taking this. Slade, here, catch this. Alright, nice weapon. I may as well get a quick charge while I'm here. Here goes nothing. I can feel the venom running through my veins. Bane, what are you doing over there? Hurry up, get us out of here. Shh. Free at last, let's get out of here. Slade, let's go. Calling all units, calling all units. I need help at the Gotham City Jail. Sounds like one of my officers needs help.
This is Patrol 5, on my way to a 1083.
Slade, you've got my ray gun. Oh, here. No one can stop us now. We better get out of here before backup comes. Commissioner, are you alright? Yeah, Batman, I'm fine. I heard the call go out and I figured you guys could use my help. Batman, look out behind you. You'll never defeat me. Batman, cuff him. Hold it right there, Slade. Out of my way, old man. Who are you calling an old man? Get up, Commissioner. I'll get the cuffs. I'll use the Batmobile to get the SWAT van back up on its wheels. Nice work, Batman. Let's get this trash loaded up. I'll open the back. Looks like you already loaded the Batty Wagon for us. I'll be taking this, Freeze. Batman, you haven't seen the last of me. I'll be back for my ray gun. Yeah, we'll see about that. Let's go, Commissioner. Commissioner, you got it from here? Yeah, I'm all set, Batman. Thank you. No problem. Thanks for watching Imaginext Toys, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.